Today, we will show you how to pair your Garmin Edge with the new Varia RCT715 radar camera. The first time you connect the Varia RCT715 radar camera to your Edge device, you must pair both devices. After the initial pairing, the Edge device will automatically connect to the radar camera when you start your activity and the radar camera is active and within range. For this video, we will be using an Edge 1030 Plus GPS by computer, but the process is similar for other Edge models. First, select the menu icon on the Edge. Now, select Sensors. Select Add Sensor. Then, search all. Now, press and hold the power button on your RCT715 for 2 seconds. The status LED on your RCT715 will flash purple, indicating it is in pairing mode. Select the checkbox next to Radar, and then select Add. The RCT715 is now paired. The radar and bike light status icons will appear solid on the top banner of the home screen. The vehicle position LED moves up the column as the vehicle gets closer to your bike. The threat level LED changes color based on the potential level of threat. Green indicates no vehicle is detected. Amber indicates a vehicle is approaching. Red indicates a vehicle is advancing at a high rate of speed. The Edge device beeps if audible alert tones are turned on in the settings. The alert tone for approaching vehicles has a unique sound. The Edge device beeps one time when the first vehicle is detected. The Edge device beeps again when another vehicle is detected. You can change recording settings on the Edge device by selecting the menu icon. Select Sensors. Select the Varia RCT715 as a light. Select Radar Camera. Now select Camera Settings. Here, you can change the resolution to 1080 or 720. You can also select the video recording method. You can choose continuous during a radar activity or off. Now you are ready to ride with your Varia RCT715 radar camera. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.